and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am going to show you a absolute stunning car. 1956 Oldsmobile 88 convertible. Now, this car has been completely rotisserie restored, top to bottom, and me and my son drove this car yesterday to a car show, and we cruised the countryside in this car. I'm gonna tell you, it runs and drives fantastic. It is a super, super nice car. Very clean, very pretty car. Two-tone red and white. It's got the wire spoke wheels and the Coker wide white wall radial tires. This car has power steering, power brakes with disc brakes on the front. It has vintage heat and air conditioning. All the chrome, all the stainless, all the bright work on this car looks like brand new. This car is spectacular in every way, shape, and form, in my opinion. Beautiful, beautiful car. Red interior, red and white interior, I should tell you. Even got speakers back there. This car has power windows, power top, power antenna, chrome tilt steering column, 54,097 miles the odometer reads. The odometer works perfect. The speedometer works great. This is a quality car. Now, if this car was a 56 Chevrolet convertible, this would probably be a $150,000 car. Let's just face it, the Oldsmobiles don't bring as much money, but I still think this is probably a $100,000 car. I'm not going to price this car at $100,000. I'm going to price it very reasonable. It will be priced and videoed, pictured and videoed and priced on my website here real shortly. You can check out the pedals, low car gas pedal, brake pad pedal, bright headlight pedal. Check out the dash on this thing. The dash is painted just as good as the outside of the car. MP3 radio, remote player there. The power windows all work. Inside the trunk is beautiful in the car as well. Under the hood is beautiful. The car also has a MSD fuel injection on it. So you don't have to pump it. You just turn the key on, hit the key, and she starts right up. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. I tell you what, there was over 600 cars at the car show we took this car to yesterday, and this car got all kinds of attention. Just a ton of attention. Inside the trunk is all done up very, very nicely. Spare tire jack. There's an extra starter there for this car. I'd love to show you imperfections in this car, but I haven't seen anything, other than one small spot I will show you. But this thing is a beauty, absolute beauty. I will show you. I just noticed it. It's actually it's got one small little chip right here. You'll see it. You stand way back here, you can't even notice that. I just seen that though. I'll open the hood. We'll start this car up. Actually, I'll just start it up now and then I'll open the hood. There we go. Dual electric fans, power steering, power brakes. There's your vintage air conditioning. Painted up. Underneath the hood looks as good as the exterior of the car. The top on this car is in excellent shape too. Beautiful white top. I already had the top down from my drive yesterday, so I didn't put the top back up, but it is absolutely gorgeous. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, www.kenyonauto.com, KINION auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory on a daily basis. So if you are interested in buying a beautiful 56 Oldsmobile convertible, give us a call today. Or maybe one of the other cars we have in stock. Here we go. This thing is absolutely amazing. You will love, love, love this car. My son absolutely enjoyed this car last night. I took my kids to school this morning in this car, top down, hair blowing. They really, really loved it as well. You can see how nice a car it is. It's top quality, guys. You've got a little model car down below there that spit an image of this baby. So give me a call, 563-452-2450, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you never miss another great quality collector car from Kenyon Classics. Have a great afternoon, everybody. I'll talk to you soon.